Matt Holbrook is the Director of Specialized Lending for Transcend Credit, and he is here today to help us figure out what we qualify for. So what are 2 or 3 things people need to know or be thinking about before they even launch into buying a new home?
Well, as you're getting ready to buy your first house, you want to start saving money. Saving money's tough for a lot of us today.
That's so logical,
I know,
though,
right? It sounds so easy, but it's so hard for a lot of people, is to save enough money to have for the down payment and different things, the different financial things that come along with purchasing a home. You need to have that money saved up first and foremost. Second thing would be check your credit score. There's a lot of free resources available online to check your credit score, as well as you can swing by Transcend Credit Union anytime. We can check that for you. And make sure you've got that lined up. And once those 2 things are in line, you're ready to go.
You know, there's kind of a myth out there in the marketplace, too. Is checking your credit score, does that reduce your credit score? Have you heard that?
So, yeah, and it is true and false. It depends on the scenario of how it's checked. If you're having what's called a hard inquiry into your credit, it can
pull your score. From some other entity, not yourself.
So you're actually applying for a formal credit, it could hurt your score. But when you're just checking it for the purposes of just to check it, such as a Credit Karma or even at Transcend, we offer what's called a soft pull where it doesn't hurt your score.
Okay, well, it's good to know.
Yeah.
Well, what do we need to know? How do we find out what we're qualified for?
So that's where we come into play. So at Transcend Credit Union, we spend a lot of time with you asking the right questions, kind of digging into your financials and finding out exactly how much you can afford to spend. Everybody always likes to come in our office and say, well, how much can I afford to buy? Well, let's talk about that and see what's best for you, because we don't want to put somebody in a home that they truly can't afford that makes them what we call house poor. We want to make sure they're going to be able to live in that home and still have a life outside of it.
And enjoy it, too.
Yes.
I mean, getting those realistic expectations, which we've talked about in the past. What types of loans do you offer at Transcend?
So one of the main benefits at Transcend is we offer what's called a no closing cost, no PMI loan, while requiring as little as 3% down. So allowing you to save a lot of that extra money you usually have to put down on some other formal loans. It allows you to put the new curtains up, new carpet, new whatever you need, new rugs or anything.
Refrigerator that all of us care about.
Get those upgrades that everybody wants. So it allows you a lot more flexibility while saving you on the monthly payment from the standpoint of the private mortgage insurance.
Oh, that's what the PMI is,
yes, ma'am.
Right? Ah, those initials. So you found your perfect home. Now what?
So then again, once you find that perfect home, you're going to be calling our loan officers at Transcend Credit Union. You can give us a call directly. You can go onto our website at transcendcu.com, and we'll be happy to help.
Let everybody know where you're located, too, Matt.
So we're right off Tamarack Road over in Owensboro, again, online, transcendcu.com, and then by phone.
And if you're just really beginning this process, maybe you're a young couple or maybe you're a first-time home buyer, regardless of age, what's the best thing to do? Come in, make an appointment, and just see where you are?
Yes, call us, make an appointment, come in, let us do that initial deep dive with you to figure out the best products and things that, again, give you that magic number of this is how much you can afford to go out and spend to buy the home of your dreams.
When they come to that first meeting, what kinds of documents might they need to bring?
Very little. We spend a lot of time with the question and answering up front, and then once you give us those answers, helps us determine what documents we're going to need next. Okay,
and then what happens after that? Then we just do all these
shop and happy hunting for the home, find that new home of your dreams, and then we'll help you get in it.
So you've got to know what you qualify for.
Correct.
That's the main thing.
That is very important, and it's a quick process. So one of the beautiful things about Transcend is our application, we can get you a pre-approval letter in as quick as 15 to 20 minutes.
That's pretty amazing.
It is very amazing. So that letter is very important for the realtors. It's very important for you, again, to have as you go shopping.
All right, so on the downside, let's say it doesn't work out like you want it to and you're not really qualified. How do you help your customer get qualified, get ready for the next time?
So again, we're a credit union. We're here to help our members grow that credit and get to that next step. And whether it's 12 months, 24 months, whatever it's going to take, we will spend the time with you through our suite of products to find the best solution to get you to the better credit score. You
can't beat that professional and personal advice.
Correct.
That's great. Thanks. It's always good to see you, Matt.
You as well. Thank you so much.
Transcend Credit Union can help you find the right home for you. We'll be back with more local lifestyles right after this. Stay with us.
This portion of Lifestyles is sponsored by Transcend Credit Union.